Meet Orion, a 3D printer for everyone. Orion features an all-metal V6 hot end, capable of printing temperatures over 300 degrees. A full-colour 2.4-inch touchscreen display with a choice between a standard full graphics display or touchscreen mode with a simple click. We have also added a full-size SD card slot, as well as USB connectivity for printing. We knew the construction of the printer had to be clean, simple and effective, so we went with an all-aluminium frame and two high-quality linear rails for both Y and Z axis, whilst having only one on the X axis, keeping it solid and light. Now printing various materials is possible thanks to our hot end choice and heated aluminium bed. What you see now is Orion printing with a wood-infused filament. Orion includes many features, a semi-auto bed levelling system so that prints always have that perfect first layer. We of course will adjust that for you before shipping. Another feature is a filament run-out sensor, so you never have to worry about how much filament is left. You will also have full control over the stepper drivers if you choose to experiment with your machine. Let's test out our change filament option. Changing filament has never been easier. Simply wait for the old filament to automatically unload, remove the old filament from the extruder and insert the new one. It's that simple. Press continue and wait for the filament to purge. Once purged, press continue again and the print will carry on. With Orion, your printing possibilities will be easy and endless. We are 3D created, and this is Orion. Making 3D printing easier and better.